Welcome back to Good Luck AI. Today, let's find out which type of gambler you might be. A gambling problem can lead to financial issues and even bankruptcy. Ask yourself these questions truthfully to see if you have a gambling disorder and how serious it is. Do you lie to others about going out to gamble? Would you rather bet or play instead of doing other activities? Do you feel bad after losing money? Do you use money meant for other things to place bets? If you answered yes to these, you may be a problem or compulsive gambler. You can likely cut back with help from loved ones, but also consider these questions. Do you feel restless, sad, anxious, or irritable when trying to cut back? Have these feelings made you go back to gambling? Have you committed a crime to get more betting money? Do you gamble to escape problems or negative feelings? Do you bet large sums to make up for past losses? Have you lost a job, relationship, or important opportunity because of gambling? Are you preoccupied with making more money or winning back losses? Have you tried to quit or cut back more than twice and failed? Do people refuse to give you money? If you answered yes to these questions, you might have an addiction and become a pathological gambler. You will need professional addiction treatment to stop.